Hello, welcome again. We are covering compressible fluid flow subject for civil services main, IFS and GATE aerospace. The next topic in the subject is one-dimensional flow equation. In the last video, we have studied one-dimensional flow, and now we'll deal with the equations. So to form the equation, consider the flow through this section as it passes through this shaded area. The properties of the fluid are changing from U1 to U2, P1 to P2, T1 to T2, ρ1 to ρ2, E1 to E2, where U is velocity, P is pressure, T is temperature, ρ is density, and E is internal energy. So here the property can change due to the normal shock or due to the heat radiation. Both cases may be possible. Okay, so just reading this out. Consider the flow through a one-dimensional region. One-dimensional region means this area is constant by the shaded area. This region may be a normal shock wave or it may be a region with heat radiation. In either case, the flow property change as a function of x as the gas flows through the region. So in this section, the continuity equation, momentum equation, and your energy equation are valid. So first of all, taking continuity equation, here the mass flow rate is given by rho1 a1 u1, and here the mass flow rate is rho2 a2 u2, and a1 and a2 are constant, so we can directly write rho1 u1 is equal to rho2 u2. This is your continuity equation, and it is 1. Equation number 1. So now next is your momentum equation. So momentum equation is related to force. So if we multiply pressure with area, then it will be a force. And here if we multiply it with area, rho1 a u1 is your mass flow rate. Mass flow rate when multiplied by u is dynamic force. Rho au into u is dynamic force. So this is the force or momentum per second here, and here it is P2 plus rho2 a2 u2 here. A1 and a2 are constant, so it can be cancelled out. So momentum equation will be P1 plus rho1 u1 square is equal to P2 rho2 u2 square. This is your momentum equation. Next equation is your energy equation. So here H represents the enthalpy energy, and this represents kinetic energy, and this is heat addition. So H1 is enthalpy at 1, and U1 square by 2 is your kinetic energy per unit mass, and Q is heat added. Heat added in this section is this if heat is added here. Okay, so H1 plus U1 square is energy here. Q energy is added per unit mass, and total energy here is, it will become total energy here, that is H2 plus U2 square by 2 per unit mass. So this is your third equation, energy equation. This is energy equation, this is momentum equation, this is continuity equation.